you how to customize these projects in the fastest, easiest, and most efficient way possible. So let's move on. In the delivery package that you received, you'll find all these folders. All Lower Thirds projects are contained here in this folder. Open it, please. Inside this one, you'll find the Business subfolder, the Sports subfolder, and the Minimal subfolder. Let's open the Business subfolder. As you can see, there are 20 different After Effects projects. Each one of them corresponds to a different lower third. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll use this one, so let's open it by double-clicking. Okay, here we are. Let me show you what you'll find in the Project Manager. In the U-Change folder, there's the Lower Thirds composition, which we are seeing in the timeline, and the Logo composition, by which you'll add your logo to the project. In the Comps folder, you'll find the compositions used to build this project, and they are not customizable. I've chosen this project because it has all the elements and all the processes that you will find in the other Lower Thirds projects, with little differences like design, colors, text lines, and so on. Okay, let's see the timeline. The main control of this project is the orange layer, here called Control. This layer has two marks to adjust the duration of the lower third by dragging this last mark forward or backward. Remember, don't move the first one because it is only a reference for the expression script used to control the animation. So you have the intro animation, and then the out animation as well. The space between these two marks is the time that the lower third will remain visible. Now we have this last mark placed here in the 4 seconds. Maybe you'll enlarge the time to move this last mark to 6 seconds. I will move this work area mark as well and have a reference for the in and out. Now we have a new duration time. Now let's change the text. As you can see, all the text layer are placed in this composition, so you don't need to open the extra composition to change the text. So just select the text and change the color and position as well. Let me show you. Okay, done. Now let's add your logo to the composition. To add your logo here, open from the 00U Change folder, the Your Logo composition. Once you are inside, drag your logo to this timeline. Let me show you. I have the Blue Effects logo right here, and I'll drag it into the composition. I will make some little adjustments. Done. Let's see how it looks in the lower third composition. I can make extra adjustments here by moving and scaling this layer. Okay, done. Now let's change the colors. To modify this lower third's color, select the color control layer and open the effects panel and change a new color for each one. Let me show you. Now let's place this lower third over footage to see how it all works. I have footage right here. I will drag it here and make a new composition. Okay, let's drag the lower third composition over the footage. As you can see, the in and out marks are really helpful because you have a real reference of the entire animation. So this way I can move the layer whenever I want. And using the indicator reference, I can modify the duration if I need it. Now you have all the information you need to customize this lower third package on your own. If you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to contact our